So what's up people, how's it going? It's me, Alex, again, and today, as in always, as in every video, I'm gonna be having some profit and I'm gonna be trading some money. To be precise, I'm having $70 in my account right now, and I'm willing to get a lot profit, but like not a couple of thousands, but at least 1,000 is gonna be enough for me in this video. So do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the most important thing is my Telegram VIP channel, which is going to be in the description below. So do not forget to join it, because there I'm gathering and collecting a lot of knowledge and the strategies that may help you in your future. So don't forget about it, and let's start. So first currency pair is going to be Australian and United States dollars. And you can see the price is moving upward according to the super trend, and we going right now for a long based on that indication, I would say, based on that indicator. So I expect a breakout of resistance, which is the upper channels line, and we kind of broke it already. Yep. At the same time, you can see that Aaron is also going for a long, so no doubt. Damn, did I break? No, I'm sorry. Yeah, so everything seems fine and good. Perfect. Great. Totally satisfied with the first bet. Okay, euro and francs. Okay, I'm going max and I'm going to go short. Guys, you can see that right now price moved into the short zone of the don't chain channel and consolidated there. And the midline currently of the don't chain acts as a resistance. Both Aaron and the super trend confirms the short move. So sell option. Waiting for that. And as you can see, my hair is kind of growing back. I mean, I look, oh my god, I'm bald here. That's the first time I see this. Yeah, age, you know. What was I talking about? Yeah, I wasn't really expecting my hair to be growing that long. That is kind of surprising, but that's okay. I mean, I went to my barber and I asked him like about the time frame until my hair grows back, and he said like 3 to 4 months, and I was like, what? I was told like 1, 2, 3 in a couple of months, but yeah. Surprisingly bad, but that's good. I'm making money. Australian and New Zealand dollars right there. I guess I'm gonna go with 200, and I'm playing short. I'm playing short right now. Super trend just giving us a sell signal, and I expect the midline channel, the midline channel. The midline of the don't chain to be broken downwards, so sell trade. I don't know why it lagged, but it happens. Oh my god, I can't just stop fixing my hair, you know, trying to build something better than I have right now. Yeah, it's short, and I don't remember the last time I made my hair that short. I guess when I was a kid. And that's it. I don't even have any pictures of it, but I mean, let me know in the comments, do you like it better or not? It was better with the long hair. Five seconds, done. Oh my god, that was scary. Like I saw like 5 seconds left and we're kind of losing the bet, but we made a comeback. Okay, Australian and Canadian dollars. $650 right here. Going short again, guys. I'm gonna sell it. By the way, not. I could have used a better spot for the entry, but okay. It was just the candle was just rapidly, you know, going back and forth, so I kind of messed up. But anyway, I feel like we're gonna win it. And yeah, you can see the price just bounced down from the don't chain midline. Sellers just are back in control, and the super trend giving us consistent short signal, as well as Aaron confirms. So guys, if you're willing to get more information about the trading and about the tactics of the trading, then Telegram VIP group. And the VIP group, I guess that's the only VIP group in the world in the Telegram that is for free and giving that much information, guys. You can just check it out and compare it to other Telegram channels. Great. So what is the amount that I made? From $70, I made $1,359. Brilliant. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to join the channel of mine, the Telegram, which link is gonna be below in the description. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.